Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my end-to-end wheel cleaning process. The car you're looking at right now is a 2002 Jaguar XKR convertible. As you can see here, these wheels are in desperate need of a cleaning. We got a lot to cover, so we're going to jump right in, so sit back and enjoy the show. As we get started, the first step is going to be giving these wheels a good rinse to remove any loose dirt and brake dust. See here that I'm using a pressure washer, but if you don't have one, that's fine. A garden hose will work just fine. The main chemical I'm going to be using today is P&S Brake Buster. Brake Buster is a staple product for me, and you'll see soon just how good it is at removing dirt and brake dust from the wheels. This is a very easy product to use. Just start by spraying it directly onto the tire and wheel. If you keep an eye on the tire, you'll see just how quickly this product works. The brown color you see is from bloom in the tire. Blooming is caused by an anti-ozone agent that tire manufacturers add to the rubber to slow the deterioration and extend the life of the tire. Since brown tires can really make your car look dirty, we're going to use Brake Buster to clean these tires up and bring back some of the original black color. Now, after applying the product, I'm using a Tough Shine tire brush to agitate the surface of the tire. If your tires are pretty dirty, you'll see the foam turn dark brown. This is perfectly normal. If you want to pick up some of these products for yourself, I've added links in the description below. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, but I do get a small commission at no cost to you if you choose to purchase these products after clicking on one of my links. After scrubbing the tire, the next step is cleaning in between the wheel spokes and along the inner barrel. For this part, I'm using a Speedmaster wheel brush. Speedmaster has two sizes of these brushes, and I recommend picking up both, especially if you have larger brakes on your car. These brushes are great for getting behind the caliper and into other tight spaces. They also have soft bristles and are safe for painted wheels. I find them much easier to use than wheel woolies, and because of the design, I really think they do a much better job. I'm now going to move on to cleaning the face of the wheel. In these clips, I'm using a Chemical Guys wheel brush. Since Brake Buster does such a good job at lifting the brake dust off the wheel, you won't need to use much pressure at all. I'm just using the brush to move the product around and get any areas I might have missed. The next step is to use a detail brush to clean around the lug nuts and also the tire stem. This is also a good time to inspect the wheel and see if there are any other areas you might have missed. If you find any, you can use the detail brush to work the product into the surface and try to remove them. After finishing with the detail brush, I always give the wheel and tire a thorough rinse. Since these wheels haven't been cleaned in a couple years, I'm going to go ahead and scrub the tires again. With really dirty tires like these, this is a process I will repeat until the foam stays white after scrubbing. In most cases, this will take 3 to 4 applications of the product on the tire, which generally takes me around 8 to 10 minutes per wheel. We're going to be applying a tire dressing later on in the video, so we really want to be sure that the tire is clean before applying. Preparation is key here. After this last application, the foam is staying white, which tells me that the face of the tire is pretty clean. If you want to go a step further, you can use some mineral spirits to remove any remaining dirt and grime, but I generally find that this is plenty to help dressings bond to the rubber. As I bring you in for a closer look, you can see how clean this wheel is now compared to when we started. With the last wheel, you saw me applying BrakeBuster by hand directly from the bottle. For the next couple wheels, I'm going to be applying it diluted 1-to-1 with this Merrill-X axle foamer. I really think this foamer works great, and because we're diluting the chemical with water, we're getting twice as much out of it. Since you already saw the full cleaning process, I'll spare showing it to you again so we can jump right into a quick before and after. Here's the before, and here's the after. The last wheel we have to do is the driver front wheel. As you can see here, this wheel is caked with brake dust and is just as dirty as the first one. For this last wheel, I'm going to be speeding it up quite a bit. I am going to leave the full wheel cleaning in just in case you're interested in seeing the process one more time. If not and you want to jump ahead, I'll be dressing the tires with CarPro Pearl at about the 8 minutes and 53 seconds mark. If you've made it this far, thanks for sticking around. If you've enjoyed the video so far, give us a big thumbs up. Also, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And with that, this wheel is done. Here's the before and the after. With the tires clean, we're ready to apply a tire dressing. I'm going to be dressing the tires with CarPro Pearl. Pearl is a great product with multiple uses. In addition to the tires, you can also use it on trim pieces and other plastics on your vehicle. For the tires, I'm using it diluted 1-to-1 and applying it with an Adams foam hex grip applicator. After applying, I'll use a microfiber towel to level the product and remove any excess from the tire. With the excess removed, here's the final result. Thanks to Pearl, the tire is left with a beautiful satin finish. If you prefer your tires more glossy, you can apply a second layer of Pearl to get the desired look. And with that, that's a wrap for today. This is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.